Welcome back to Design Alphabet, the go-to channel for all things design. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just someone who appreciates the beauty of well-crafted patterns, you're in the right place. Today's letter is H, and we have something truly special lined up for you. We're diving into a pattern that has stood the test of time, the herringbone. This pattern is not just a fleeting trend, it has a rich history and a timeless appeal that continues to captivate designers and homeowners alike. According to dictionary.com, herringbone is defined as a pattern consisting of rows of short, slanted parallel lines, with the direction of the slant alternating row by row, resembling the bones of a fish. This unique arrangement creates a visually striking effect that is both orderly and dynamic. Sounds intricate, doesn't it? But don't let its complexity fool you. The beauty of the herringbone pattern lies in its simplicity and versatility. It's a design that can be both subtle and bold, depending on how it's used. Let's bring this definition to life with a couple of examples. By seeing it in action, you'll understand why this pattern has been a favorite for centuries. First, imagine a classic wooden floor. The warmth and natural beauty of wood are enhanced by the herringbone pattern, which adds a layer of sophistication and elegance. The herringbone pattern is often used in hardwood flooring, where each plank is laid at a 45-degree angle, creating a mesmerizing zigzag effect. This technique not only showcases the craftsmanship involved, but also brings a dynamic flow to the space. This not only adds visual interest, but also enhances the perception of space in a room, making it look more expansive. The pattern draws the eye along its lines, creating a sense of movement and openness. Secondly, herringbone is a popular choice in textile design, especially in fabrics like tweed. The pattern's alternating slant of threads creates a texture that is both tactile and visually appealing. You'll notice this pattern in high-end suits and blazers, where the alternating slant of threads adds depth and texture. This not only enhances the fabric's durability, but also gives it a luxurious feel. The result is a sophisticated, timeless look that stands out in any wardrobe. Whether it's a casual jacket or a formal suit, the herringbone pattern adds a touch of class and elegance. So why is herringbone so enduring? The answer lies in its versatility and timeless appeal. This pattern can be adapted to various materials and settings, making it a favorite among designers and architects. Its versatility allows it to be used in various materials and settings, from flooring to fashion, ensuring it never goes out of style. Whether it's in a modern architectural marvel or a classic piece of clothing, herringbone continues to inspire and captivate. If you enjoyed this deep dive into herringbone, be sure to subscribe to Design Alphabet for more insightful design content. We have a lot more exciting topics to explore, and we don't want you to miss out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Stay inspired and keep creating.